Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today we are doing the decorating of the Christmas tree. How exciting is that? I hope this video makes you feel really festive. And I've got lots of cleaning motivation today for you as well. And I'm also sharing a really nice slow cooker recipe. This one is going to make you feel really nice and warm on a cold winter day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a like if you like videos like this, and make sure to subscribe for more. And yeah, let's jump right into the video. Our Christmas tree is this one from Wilco. We got it last year and it's really lovely. So first thing we're going to do is make some space here on the side of the sofa. So I'm going to take, or like my husband actually is going to take this table upstairs in Victor's room. We're going to play some Christmas music and get all festive before we put up the Christmas tree. So I'm going to put down the base, and we also got a cover, like a skirt for it, which I bought from Dunelm.
Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door.
So we're going to assemble the tree. First of all, as you can see, I've also got a little helper today. He's my little elf to help me around. He was so cute. He really enjoyed this too. So we're just going to put up the tree and fluff it up really well, because I feel like that makes a really big difference with artificial trees. It makes it look a lot fuller if you take the time to actually fluff it up nicely. And as you can see, Victor was trying to fluff it up here as well. So cute. So we love this tree. It's a flocked one, so you don't need to do that if you like that look. Also, let me know, did you put up your Christmas tree yet, or when do you plan to put it up? I'm really curious to know, so let me know in the comments below. We put up ours at the end of November because I actually have work I need to do for some brands with a Christmassy background, so I really needed the tree to be up. But to be honest, I actually really like it, and I was really excited to put it up this year, because I just feel like with everything going on, we need some extra festive cheer, don't we? First thing that we're going to do here is put up the lights, obviously. So we're just going to wrap these around. Do you guys wrap them around the back of the Christmas tree? I kind of do them more in the front, just because I feel like that's what you can see, and obviously on the sides as well. But yeah, I just kind of wrap it around and try to spread it as evenly as I can, so that it's you know, evenly lit. Our lights were from Wilco last year as well, and these are warm lights, in case you were wondering.
We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town.
And then we are going to start putting the baubles in. I'm going to start with the white ones. Our theme for the Christmas tree and most of our decor is kind of white and gold. So I'm going to put the white ones first, and I try to spread them out, and then put the gold ones in between, just so that it's kind of even, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to put them over here, and then I'm going to, after I put the white and the gold ones, I'm going to put the ones that are more different, you know, the more special ones.
While Santa's busy saying ho ho ho, we're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry
And then I'm going to put our tree topper up. This one is a star one, and it's a golden glittery one, really lovely. And I like that it kind of sparkles when it's got fairy lights around it. And this one is from Home Base. We got it this year. Also, if you guys would like to see the rest of the decorations and kind of how we set them up, you can watch part 1 of this video. It's a Christmas decorate with me as well, but it's mostly the other things that I did in the living room. So like the TV unit and the coffee table and just the side table and things like that. So yeah, I will leave the link to the video down below in the description box. And then I'm going to go around and hoover, because the tree, obviously since it's flocked and it's artificial, it actually sheds quite a lot of stuff when you put it up. Obviously because of the fluffing of the branches and things like that. So I'm just going to hoover and make sure all of those are off the floor. And as you can see here, I've got a little helper as well. Victor was really keen on helping me hoover, so he's going to do that for a bit, and then I'm going to carry on doing it myself. And then we're also going to have a little dance party, because why not? We had Christmas music in the background, so it's really, really cheery here today. Then I'm going to tackle the kitchen and kind of like the dining area. So I'm just going to straighten up in here and put all the plates away. As you can see, it was quite a big disaster in here, just because I put all decorations here, and just, you know, it becomes a bit of a dumping ground when you're decorating around the home. So I'm going to take some things upstairs in our bedroom, and then I'm going to start clearing the plates on the dining table and giving it a quick spray. I'm using my Method's multi-surface spray for this. And then I'm going to put the decorations back and move on in the rest of the kitchen. Yes, I'm just going to put all recycling away in the bins, and then I'm going to put all plates and just all dishes in the dishwasher basically. And I'm also going to hand wash a few using my Dishmatic. It's a handle brush that you fill up the handle with fairy liquid, and it just works really well. It's really quick and convenient to use, so I'm going to use that on hand washing. Then I'm also going to go around all over the kitchen and give it a quick spray on the counters. I'm also using my Method spray for this and a microfiber cloth. So yeah, I'm just going to spray around and make sure the surfaces are nice and clean in here.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know the time is short. We blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the...
And then I'm going to disinfect the sink using my Zaflora. This is the linen fresh scent that you guys know I love. So I'm going to pop a bit of this in the sink, and then I'm also going to boil up the kettle and put some hot water in there. And this helps disinfect the sink and just make sure it's all germ-free. And then for our slow cooker tonight, I'm going to need some pork slices. Then I'm going to use a carrot, 2 onions, like small ones, some garlic cloves, tomato puree, tomato passata. I've got some olive oil there, salt and pepper as well. And I'm also going to use a chicken stock cube as well. So I'm going to start by chopping up all of the veggies, like the onion and the carrots and things like that, and pop them in the slow cooker.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes.
I love making slow cooker meals. I just find them so easy. You just throw everything in there, and then at the end of the day you have a really nice warm dinner to wait for you, and you don't have to do anything. So I'm just going to pop everything in the slow cooker. I had the stock cube dissolved in a bit of water at the bottom of the slow cooker here. And I'm going to add the tomato passata, and I'm going to season the pork separately and put it in there as well. And then also at the end I'm going to add a bit of wine, just red wine, and then some bay leaves as well. And then I'm going to leave the slow cooker on for about 4 or 5 hours on high.
On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of antennas, onwards ever go. Dasher and Prancer, moving through the snow.
And then that's my slow cooker done at the end of the day, and I'm going to serve this with some mashed potatoes that I made on the side, and it was such a delicious dinner, really perfect on a cold winter day. Let me know if you guys try this recipe. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this a like if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!